Hello everyone, this is Miss Davis. I had a couple questions that I just wanted to answer so that you could hopefully view this video and it can help you prepare for your test. So I'm going to do two videos. The first one is going to be about some questions, and then the second one is going to be binary, hex, and decimal conversion. So the first question that someone asked me, it was referencing one of our assignments in 124, where you were talking about variable roles with some of these. And unfortunately, not all of your classmates have finished this assignment, so I can't give the answers because then they wouldn't be doing the assignment. They would just be looking at the answers, and which would not be fair to all of you. But I did want to go over some of the main ones that most people missed, just so that you know what the error was. So I downloaded, or I have here, just the bounce ball stage 2. Okay, I think there's like 6 stages, so this is really only the second stage, and it has most of the variables where we're messing up on. Okay, so unfortunately, I can't play the game for you because I don't feel like setting up the emulator. It would take too long and there's tons and tons of errors. But basically, this ball is just going to keep moving back and I'm going to get my clicks left. Okay, so where is it? Okay, so we have direction, to flip, score, and max balls. Okay, so when I'm playing this game, okay, here are my global variables that have already been set up for me. Okay, the first one that we actually come into play here is direction, global direction. So right from the beginning, the direction is set to 180. Okay, and what happens is global direction is then reset. Okay, that value is being redetermined. It's not forever being 180. Okay, so what happens is it's 180 right now, and I'm going to set global direction to what it is currently, okay, 180, plus whatever is inside to flip, which is again 180. And what this is doing is allowing the ball to go back and forth, okay? So I'm going this way, now I'm going to turn around and go this way. Now I'm going to turn around and go this way, okay? And I'm going back and forth. So global direction is changing, okay, which makes this not a fixed value, but in fact it will be most recent, okay, because it's going to be whatever the most recent setting of global direction we have gotten when the ball is reaching the edge. To flip is a fixed variable because this is never going to change. I never reset this value. Okay, it is always 180. I never have to reset it. I do have to reset global direction, which makes that a most recent value. Okay, so the other question was global score and max balls. Okay, so max balls is a fixed value, okay, but global score is an accumulator. Okay, so the question is why? Like, why is global score, not an accumulator, and why isn't this an accumulator? So I forget what specifically the question was, but why are these not the same thing? And here's why. So max balls is right here, and it's set to 5. In here, I never reset that value. Okay, I never set max balls to be anything. I'm just getting that value. Okay, and that value is always going to be 5, and I never reset it. Okay, so that's what makes that a fixed value. Score, on the other hand, is being reset over here, I guess you could say. So it starts off at 0, and then, so I'm here, I'm 0. Here I'm 0. I'm going to do 0 plus 1. Okay, so now this is 1. And then I'm going to do 1 plus 1, so I get 2. Okay, so I'm adding it up, and that's going to make my score. Okay, I'm accumulating all of those values, okay, whenever I touch the ball on the screen. I'm going to reset that that global score, and it's going to accumulate all of the, I guess, touches that I've been able to achieve with hitting that ball. Okay, so I hope that helped you. I am going to put up just the answer key. This is from the teacher's version where it has direction and to flip, and then it has score and max balls. So this is literally just from stage 2. That's the stage that we were in. I think it's overwhelming once you go into the whole code. So I'm just going to leave this up here. Feel free to pause it on here and, you know, look at it. It might help you. I'm not entirely sure, but it might help just to read it instead. So I'm going to do another video, and that's going to be for converting the numbers. So check that one out next.